start now. Good morning. I am one of your hosts, Mariana Gilbert.
I'm your other hostess, Grace Lynn.
And this is the first installment of our new segment, Jammin' in Space. I heard we have a new rising act on the show this morning.
Yeah, we have this really special guest, and there's no need to beat around the bush, so let's just warmly welcome the hottest band ever.
Let's get ready to get dirty with Fred Whipple and the Dirty Snowballs! Feel free to sing and clap along.
Yes, sing and clap along. Sing and clap.
It's not playing. It's not connected. It's not Okay, we're good. We got this. Okay? It's not a joke, it's actually real.
It's really real. No, me too. Yeah.
That song was awesome, guys. No wonder it made it to the top on Billboard. I just feel like I'm 20 years younger than I actually was. Totally loved it. You guys formed an amazing group, Fred Whipple and the Dirty Snowballs, but we would love to know Fred Whipple and each Dirty Snowball better. So why don't we start from Miss Poodle and give us a brief introduction about yourself?
I am Pluto, and I'm no longer a planet.
My name is Carolyn Shoemaker. I was a field assistant to my now late husband, Gene Shoemaker. I helped discover 800 asteroids and 32 comets.
I'm Edmund Halley. I did most of my work in the 18th century. I found the orbit of Halley's Comet. I'm a pretty cool dude.
I'm Louis Elleris, and I discovered the iridium in the Katy boundary, which helped explain the extinction of the dinosaurs.
Dr. Rick Binzel, professor of planetary sciences at MIT, and I invented the Torino scale.
And I'm Dr. Fred Whipple, and I developed the Dirty Snowball method.
So your band name is quite unusual. Can you tell me a little bit more about it and why you chose it?
Yeah, well, I'm obviously the Fred Whipple part of Fred Whipple and the Dirty Snowballs, but my theory of the Dirty Snowball model basically states that comets are made up of an ice nucleus and are covered in dust, hence the dirty snowball.
Cool. So, Dr. Whipple, I had a question for you. This morning I woke up and my darling little daughter came up to me and asked me about the Kuiper Belt and the Oort cloud mentioned in the song. She's crazy about you guys. She sings about.
She's talking about me. I love them.
Okay.
Sign my T-shirt.
I really want to help her, but I can't answer her. So can you help with me and answer her? Well, she's right there behind the camera.
Hey there. The Kuiper Belt is a disc-shaped object, disc-shaped region of icy objects beyond the orbit of Neptune, and the Oort cloud is the source of all long-period comets.
Cool. My daughter is tearing up backstage a little.
I'm
so
sure.
You can't really see her. She doesn't want you to see her crying.
You get
and all
this
that stuff. Yeah. So what about ejecta?
You see, when a meteor falls and impacts Earth from a meteorite, and when it does that, stuff flies up from that impact, and we call that ejecta. Therefore, ejecta is rocks and particles that are ejected from an impact.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Dr. Haley, I have a question for you. So you discovered the well-known Halley's Comet, right? It's named after you.
I did.
So when can we see it again?
Well, it being a short period comet, it comes every 76 years.
So when is that?
2062, actually.
Oh my god, I'm going to be around 80 years old and retired, so I'm going to have a lot of time to see it. Wow. Okay. So do you mind telling us something about comets and how they work? Why do they move around?
Well, comets are basically dirty snowballs. They're ice that's moving around, and they move because they're in the gravity of a star, such as the sun. Yeah, that's basically it.
So, Miss Pluto, you look rather sad today. I heard the news that your title of the planet is being removed. Why aren't you a planet anymore?
In 2005, a new object was found, Eris, and I wasn't anymore the biggest object in my orbit.
So sad. Dr. Benzel, I read about your newly released paper about Pluto. What do you think about the state of Pluto?
So I fully believe that Pluto should still be a planet. I was at this conference in 2006, right after Eris was discovered, which was the International Astronomical Union's conference, and we had a discussion on whether Pluto should be considered a planet or not. And I think that a planet should be defined as it orbits around the sun and it has enough gravity to stay round. But the other people in the planet definition committee also wanted it to be that a planet is the only body in its neighborhood, and unfortunately Pluto does not pass this. So